Look, what's this?
What the hell is that? What is that? Well, they're moving. That one's moving, the other two are sitting there. Weird. What? It's like, what are those? There's something below that top one. They're just sitting there. It doesn't even look like a plant. What? Now there's... Okay, now there's three. Hold on. What? Yeah. Okay, now there's two. Okay, there's the top one. Now there's just that one that's sitting there. What is that?
Now there are three. There was four, now there's two. Oh, now three. There were four of them. Disappeared. Now there are two of them. What is going on? Now there are two of them. Now is one. Now is two. What is this? Now he's one. Now he's disappeared completely.
All right, UFO right up there. Blue light hovering. Flashes of blue and red.
It's green and red.
And, or green and red, blue and red.
Yeah. Like,
It's hovering and it will just move.
Yeah. That's a UFO.
You see, we're getting it here. I'm trying to zoom in. There it is right there. Okay, guys. Holy crap.
Just keep that. Keep that.
Stay right here, Mason. Stay with me.
I am. I'm here.
That is a UFO. It is like a cube shaped, triangular or cube shape. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is Sunny Isles. That's directly, oh, look it on the ocean. Look directly below it.
What is that?
On the ocean, there's something red. You see that, Mace? In the water. I don't know if that is a boat or not.
That is
Okay, it's moving.
Yep,
It's moving.
Oh, it's going above us. And now it's
It's like it just moved like maybe 100 yards. No sound. Silent. I'm going to zoom back out.
Yeah, no plane is silent.
Holy shit, Mason. I don't know if it's signaling to the thing under it. There it goes. It's moving now.
That's an alien hovercraft.
It might be. Mason, now it's moving again.
It's going that way.
It's
now.
like
stopped.
over the clouds base. You see it? It's just
It
over the
thinks
clouds.
that we can't see us because it's
No,
over
hey,
the
stop.
clouds.
Stop, Mason. It knows very well that we're here. I can just sense it. Here's a plane coming up. I just came out thinking it was a plane.
I thought it was a
And
plane first. Wait, let's see if the plane
it was just hanging there. Mace, that is a UFO. So this is Jeremy Lundy and Mason Lundy. We are
I've
at the
never
Marinas
seen a UFO that
Resort.
looks like that.
Mace, I've never seen anything like this.
Oh, I've seen
Okay,
one
now
once.
the light over the ocean has shifted. That has moved.
Oh, it's coming to us. No, it's going that way.
No, that's moving away on the water. There it is moving away. I don't know what that is. But it's like that blue, that's scanning something. Okay, look at the plane. There's a plane right there
Yeah.
that's about to fly underneath this thing.
Can I go in here and launch?
Why?
Just so everyone-
Yeah. Okay, Mace, stay with me though. I don't want you to go anywhere. Call Mommy right now. Get your tablet and get some pictures on it. Come on. This is incredible. It's just hovering there.
We'll try and zoom in.
Get pictures. It's just bizarre. It's high too. It's very far up.
It looks like a worm when I zoom in.
It's well above. What's this right here? What's that? Is that a different one? A red one?
Where?
Right down here. Low. Or is that a plane? Down here.
That's a plane. That is not a plane.
What, the one up there or low?
That is not a plane.
No, that is not a plane, Mace.
That
That is.
Can be assumed to be a plane because, like, yeah.
Okay. Did you get pictures of this?
I tried,
Can
but
you
my
video-
camera's not focused.
Okay, don't try to zoom
I
out.
didn't. This is all you see.
Zoom out.
It's just a dot.
All right, I can't believe this is still there.
By the time that it leaves, I'm also recording.
Okay, a plane is going to fly directly. This plane right here is going to fly right under it.
Literally.
There it is. There's the plane flying under it for
Wait,
reference.
it's going up. It's going
Yes,
up.
it is. It looks like it's going higher.
It's going back up to its universe.
And you know what? There is green lights too. Now there's like a star or like a star pattern.
Yeah, it's red, blue, and green are the color star.
Right, but the lights are long. There's dot lights, and some of them are long.
Right, it's cold out.
This thing is, Mason, this is unbelievable. Call Mom. Tell her what we're seeing right now. This is unbelievable. It is just hovering. Slowly moving.
Wait, I can't tell if it's going this way or going on.
It's coming this way. It's going over us.
Oh my god, it is. That's not a plane.
No, that is not a plane.
That can't be a helicopter either.
Guys, look up. No, it's just so...
Oh my god.
Okay, Mace, come back here. Come over here.
It's gonna fly above us.
Yeah, get over here. I'm a little worried. Get over here.
Why?
Because if we're looking at it, it can look at us. Actually, it looks more triangular now that it's directly over us, and the lights are in a V pattern.
It is. It's like V. How are we seeing this right now? This is crazy. Oh, it is.
There's...
It's directly above the beach.
Okay, I'm trying to zoom in a little bit
It's
on
above the beach. It's above the beach.
it. It is. It's pretty big.
That is no registered flying vehicle. That is a.
All right, shh. All right, quiet down. There it is. It's directly over the hotels now.
There's a plane right there. There's a plane over there. This one's not. Oh, it's past us.
Oh my God. All right.
It's past.
There are things over the water too, lights over the water. I can't really tell too much, but it's almost like there's...
aliens for invading us.
Can you still see it, Mace?
Oh my god. No, it's way past us. It's like...
It's over the hotel.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna cancel this for a minute.